वीडियो ऑन ही नहीं था, इतनी देर से तू लग रही है
भाई। Oh my God. Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe at your homes, because of course we all know the pandemic is still going on. And if you are not a returning subscriber and new to my channel, then hi, my name is Hulsita Sharma and I have recently started this journey on YouTube, and you're welcome on my channel. And I am here to create some makeup looks and lifestyle sort of videos. So with this long introduction, let's get started with today's video. So as I have already mentioned in my previous video, that your girl Hulsita Sharma, the great makeup artist, don't know that how to do makeup professionally. So no worries, we will learn together and we will grow together. I'm starting a YouTube channel related to beauty, makeup and lifestyle, and I don't have a full makeup kit. So I have ordered a bunch of makeup from Myntra, Nykaa, Amazon and Cuffs and Lashes. It's an Instagram store and they also have an app now. So I love watching makeup tutorials and beauty content creators on YouTube. So all of the products are recommended by some beauty content creators from YouTube only, and some of them are my absolute favorite, like literally absolute favorite. They are literally gorgeous and they are doing their work beautifully and gracefully. So I'm gonna link a couple of videos from their channel also, so you can check them and also subscribe their channel too. Let's get started with our first video. You can call the video a haul sort of video or a mini review sort of video. Let's get started with unboxing all the boxes. Let me show you all the boxes first and then we will unbox together. So let me show you. We have some other boxes too. Let me show you. We have these boxes and two boxes here. This one is from Cuffs and Lashes and this one is from Sugar. So let's get started. We will unbox together and let's start. I'm super excited. So let's start with this Nykaa box first. You know what? Unboxing these boxes, it's a mixture of emotions, because the sound they create, it's super annoying, literally super annoying, but it's super exciting unboxing your boxes, of course. What the hell is going on? No. Kya hai? I knew it that I'm gonna create a mess. I can't do this properly. Like, I can't do this properly. What is this? Is it? Oh, nothing. Huh. What is this? Very important product. Cleansing water. Super important, from Garnier. Nothing inside now. Let's unbox this second box from Nykaa. Something really exciting. Let me show you. This is from K Beauty. No, wait. Yeah, this is from K Beauty. Beautiful highlighter from K Beauty. I don't know if the brand K Beauty is overhyped or it's worth the money. We will, of course, we'll use this and then I can only tell you that is this one is really amazing or it's just overhyped. And we also have this Hyper Curl Easy Wash mascara from Maybelline. And now let's move on to this box, another box from Nykaa, and let's unbox this one. Yeah. What the hell is is going on? What is this? Yay! We have another box from K Beauty only. That's loose powder. Yeah, that's loose powder from K Beauty. It says enriched with avocado and mango butter. Shade latte. But I think this will suit me perfectly. I have seen so many YouTubers are using this shade only, latte. So yeah. Another product from K Beauty only. This is a lip crayon from their brand Matin Lip Crayon, enriched with what is this? Chamomile plus marula oil. Yeah, it's a lip crayon, and that's it. We will see when we will use these products. Right now, though, I really don't know how they work and all. And I think this is also from K Beauty. It's a matte blush from K Beauty, enriched with avocado and mango butter. Same. What is this? They have done such great packaging for this one. I don't know what is this. Okay, it's a nail polish from K Beauty. So now let's unbox this box from Amazon. I mean, yeah, something different. Now it's Amazon. That doesn't mean we don't have any Nykaa boxes. We have so many. Okay, so we have bronzer from Wet n Wild, and this is in shade Sunset Striptease or Striptease. I don't know what it is, but it is from Wet n Wild bronzer. This is really beautiful, I think, because I've seen so many reviews for this particular bronzer. What is this? I think this is Lash Fixer. I think. I don't know. Yeah, it's Lash Fixer. It's an Lash Fixer from PAC. I've already used PAC products, so yeah, I can tell you, PAC is really a good brand. It's really good. Not so cheap and not so affordable, and it's not costly also. I mean, it's okay, and yeah, it's great. What is this? Is it kajal? Maybe. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's from Nykaa. Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. It says it's waterproof, smudge proof, intense black, and 12-hour long stay. We'll check. And we have another product from this box only. I think this is primer from inside. I think. Yeah, it's primer. It's 3-in-1 primes. 3-in-1 primer which primes your face, protects and moisturizes inside. I mean, I've heard so many great reviews about this primer. That's why I bought that. And I hope that it will do great job. I hope it can do great job. Let's unbox this. Ice water and niacinamide serum from Plum. Clarity boost, fragrance free. It's 15 ml. I have heard so many great reviews about this, and yeah, and we have this now. And they have also sent me free. It's a CTM kit, I mean travel size kit. And we have another product from this box, and now it's empty. I'm throwing these boxes like I have never bought these. They are not mine, and I'm throwing them like this. I really feel bad for the boxes I have thrown away like this. What is this? The packaging, nice. For a hand cream, they have done literally this. They have used this much. And we also have LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of, I think It's shade pure beige. And plum body loving hand cream. Their packaging is really nice. When it comes to makeup, makeup needs really good packaging, and they have really nice packaging. And what is this? Mini blush. A mini blush from Sugar. This is so gorgeous. Wow, it's super cute. Wow, I'm super excited. I can't even tell you how excited I am. Just 2 products in this big box. They have sent me only and only 2 products. Okay. We have false lashes from PAC Mink Lash M75. These lashes are literally super gorgeous. I've never worn lashes, so I'm super excited to wear them. Yeah. And the last product from this box is Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. This is a really very important step if you are going to create any sort of makeup look. You have to use a primer, because this is really amazing. I mean, if you're using a primer, you can really get a super smooth and perfect base. What is this? Is it from Faces Canada? I think. Matte lip crayon from Faces Canada. I have never tried, of course I've never tried, but this brand is also seems to be nice, so maybe, I don't know, when we will use them, then I can only tell you. That's from Faces Canada. And we have another product from Faces Canada only. So this is their Ultimate Pro HD Runway Ready Foundation, luminous finish. I think this will be a great product. This cute lip balm from Dot & Key. Let me show you the packaging. It's super duper cute, and I mean, let me show you first, and then you can judge by yourself only. Isn't it cute? This one literally smells like Chupa Chups. Have you ever tried Chupa Chups? It literally smells like Chupa Chups. And then we have this moisturizer from Nutriderm. I mean, that's skincare, so let's not talk about this. And my sunscreen, so let's leave that. It's from Sugar, and it's a gift from a very special friend. It's expensive. I mean, it's literally expensive. It's for 5,000. It's more than 5,000. It's yeah, 9 lipsticks and 1 kajal. And I think I think it's not perfect. It's not coming out. I don't know what's wrong with this one. But the lipsticks they are literally bomb. I am wearing one right now also. Which shade I'm wearing right now? Yeah, this one I'm wearing right now. The shade Drama Mama. Good Moody's Lip Crayon 01 Drama Mama. It's super amazing. I love these lipsticks, and of course it's a gift. That's why I love these lipsticks even more. I mean, yeah. So let's keep this here. We have big boxes, literally big boxes now. Oh my god, I didn't expect this palette to be this big. Are you serious? Are you kidding me, guys? It's from Swiss Beauty, and it's a lip palette from their what is this? From their brand. Yeah, from their brand. It's their lip palette. Okay. Now let's do. Are you kidding me? I expected this box to be this much, and this is literally double size. Wow. This one is also from Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner Set. 12 lip liner, and I think it's just for 530, and I don't know, I will link all the products in description box, and I'll also mention the prices over here or here somewhere, but I will link all the products in description box, so in case if you want to buy something from these things, so you can go and directly purchase the things. Let's move on to the last and biggest box from Nykaa. We have another box also, but it's from Cuffs and Lashes. We have just 2 boxes left now, but this box has so many products. I think it has 10 or 13 products. This box is last from Nykaa. Yeah. No, not I think. It is last box. This one is huge, like literally huge. Yeah. Very important, cotton pads to remove your makeup. If you are using makeup, don't forget to remove your makeup with cotton pads and cleansing water. Don't wash your face and just go outside or wherever. Don't just do that. It's not a good thing to do. It's not good for your skin. So always use cleansing water and cotton pads to remove your makeup. Yeah, keep in mind. And now we have another product from Swiss Beauty. I can already see it's from Swiss Beauty. It's super cute, colorful and amazing. It has 9 colors in this, and it's around 200 and something. False lashes from Pack Only Pro Tapered Lash Pro 04. These are the classic ones, the smaller ones. I wanted these, like, of course you can't really wear big lashes with every look. You really need some classic also, some classic short and a little hint of lashes. It's an eyeshadow palette from Miss Claire, the Nudes Plus 12 eyeshadow palette. It has 12 colors inside. It's super tiny. I mean, are you kidding me, guys? It's so tiny. Okay, Wet n Wild. It's from Wet n Wild White Kajal. It's this big, like literally, it's really big. This is it's in concealer from Wet n Wild. It says Photo Focus Concealer or Corrector also. Nykaa Brow Girl Brow Definer. And another product. It's in concealer. Yeah, I think it is in concealer from Miss Claire. Yeah, Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer. I think I'm going to use this concealer for my eyelids. I mean, cover my eyelids before applying eyeshadow. And we have our last product for this box, this huge box. We are done with this box also. Now we have only this box, and this box literally has my heart because it's from Cuffs and Lashes, the cutest brand, Cuffs and Lashes. But first, we will see this one. And it's from Faces Canada. It says Ultimate, not Pro, not completely Ultimate. It says Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. Keeps makeup intact, hydrates and refreshes, non-sticky, and 100 ml. Can't say much about this. Cuffs and Lashes. We have 2 products. It's a freebie. Let me tell you one thing. Let's see first freebie. So many colors. I mean, like literally 16 colors. The green palette, and then we have orange palette, and then we have one blue palette. I am in love with this palette. It has so many good colors. And then last but not the least, we have purple color palette. 3 products. We have last 3 products. I'm excited. can't even tell you how much. These are makeup brushes from the Great Cuffs and Lashes. Cute, small, fluffy and soft brushes. So that's it for today's video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and please give this one a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below your thoughts about this video, and please do share this video with your family and friends, and I'll meet you soon with another video. And I think it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. The next video will be a makeup tutorial, so we'll meet soon. Bye.